My name is Daniel Abernathy. I am getting the dual degree for the MBA and MISE. In the summer, I got an opportunity to do an internship with Boeing down at NASA's Michoud assembly facility building the core stage of the SLS rockets. So in my internship, I was a liaison engineer down at Michoud assembly facility working on the core stage. This meant that whenever an issue was to come up, either through engineering or through manufacturing, the liaison engineers were put in charge of figuring out a solution to the issue. And so for me, I got to learn all about the different systems and different parts of the overall rocket because I was able to work on issues in each area and figure out solutions to those issues. And being able to work through the network that Boeing has of finding subject matter experts and the responsible engineers and design engineers on all these different areas of the rocket. I felt very prepared going into this internship because I actually was able to see how a whole company works and is run with my MBA background, and then also being able to understand the technical side of everything with the engineering background as well. So the dual degree path really did do a lot of good for this type of internship. My advice for internships is to apply to everything because there are so many opportunities out there and it's all great experience. No internship is a waste. Every internship gives you another growth opportunity.